Hey everyone, this is Brian from Lakes Region Luxury Outdoor up here in beautiful Tilton, New Hampshire. And you know, hunting season is coming up pretty quick. We're about 3 to 4 weeks out from bear season right now. And the staff at Lakes Region, we're big into hunting, fishing, hiking, ATVs, anything outdoor, you know, really gets us excited. And we thought we'd take this opportunity to show you guys how we use the Alfresco line of grills to cook some of the best wild game meat. And today we're going to do some Bear Tenderloin, and we're going to cook this up on the Alfresco ALXE 56 BFG. And one of the best features about the Alfresco lineup is the ability to use a lot of their drop-in accessories. So today we're going to be using the solid fuel insert. This is going to allow us to burn lump charcoal and really slow roast our meat over top of that cooking environment, that cooking surface. We are also going to be utilizing the independent smoker draw on the Alfresco grill so we can infuse some beautiful applewood flavor into our Bear Tenderloins. And you know, we're going to use cast iron skillet. We're going to do a couple of things a little outside of the box as far as wild game cooking is concerned. So again, Lakes Region Luxury Outdoor in Tilton, New Hampshire. Give us a call. Thank you.